Welcome to a short how-to video that will cover the basics of setting up the dark set function of the DF-G Fiber Optic Amplifier from Banner Engineering. To begin, move the mode switch to PRG to access the Program Mode menu. Use the rocker button to toggle between options until you see the Teach Selection option and press down on the button. Move the rocker button until it says Dark Set and press the button again. The display will flash to confirm the teach mode has been changed and return to the main menu. The dark set teach mode will place the switching threshold a specified percentage above the presented condition. By default, this offset percentage is set to plus 10% of the taught condition. To change the offset percentage, use the rocker button to select the offset percentage menu. Then select the required percentage and push the rocker button again. It is recommended to set this value prior to teaching the amplifier. To teach the amplifier, move the mode switch to ADJ to access the Adjust mode. The display will show the current excess gain reading in red and the current switching threshold in green. Present a target that will represent a condition just beyond the detectable area and press the rocker button. The display will show pass followed by the specified offset percentage, indicating that the new condition has been taught successfully. The display will now show the new switching threshold in green. If you need to manually adjust this point, use the rocker button to increase or decrease the value. After selecting a value, leave the rocker button alone for 2 seconds and the display will flash to confirm the new set value. Move the mode switch back to Run to lock in the amplifier settings. That covers the basics of the DF-G dark set configuration. For more information, visit bannerengineering.com.